Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. In a bowl, add 480 milliliters of whipping cream and 480 milliliters of condensed milk. Whisk it all together. In another bowl, add 150 grams of frozen dried raspberries and mash them up. Then add that to the whipping cream and condensed milk mixture. Once it's perfectly combined, we're going to stick it in an airtight container and freeze. Now in another bowl, add 200 grams of plain flour, 2 tablespoons of caster sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder and mix well. Now pour in 250 milliliters of milk, 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Once that's all combined, we're going to separate the mixture into 2 different bowls. Add red food dye into one of the bowls and mix well. Make a pancake with the help of a round mould. Flip it over to do the other side. Stick that on a plate and use your round mould to cut out the centre. Add some maple syrup on the edges of the pancake and stack it with red and white pancakes. Now fill up the pancakes with fresh fruits. Put some more maple syrup on the edges and close the stack with a white and red pancake. There! Now you can top your pancake stack with vanilla ice cream and some fresh strawberries, and it's ready to serve. Look at that. Fruiticious. Enjoy!